أتعلم، أنا أتعلم. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب، نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب، نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. أتعلم، أنا أتعلم، حتى أفيد وأستفيد، وأعرف لما أتكلم إنه كلامي صح ومفيد. ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is teacher Ibrahim Salama from Ibn Khaldun Yasmin, primary section. Welcome to a new online learning video. Today, inshallah, we are going to have unit 12, lesson 7 and 8. So please get ready and open your pupils book on pages 126, 127. Let's start. Class composition. Number 1, think about Richard in the story. Talk about these questions. Let's see the questions. If you need time to remember the story, you can pause the video, go back to the beginning of the unit, read the story, or revise the video which we did on the first and second lesson, then come back to answer the questions. Let's see. What did Richard see at the beginning? Write some ideas in the box. What did he see at the beginning? Of course, at the beginning, Richard saw some racing cars at the start line, and the cars were in different colors. Number 2, what did he think? How did he feel? If you remember, Richard thought the cars were fantastic, and he felt really excited. Number 3, what did he say to Uncle Pete when Ross had gone? Did he talk about the racing cars or Frank Turner, Ross, something else? What did Uncle Pete say? Write some ideas in the bubbles. If you remember, he asked about his brother Russ. So he said, "Where is Russ?" And his uncle said, "He's gone to sit in the shade." These are the first 3 questions. I need you to think of the answers of 4, 5, and 6 and try to do them. I read the questions for you. Did Richard see Ross come back, or did he only hear him talking? If you go back to the story, you will find out that he didn't see him, he only heard him talking on the phone. Did Richard enjoy the race? Of course he did, because he likes cars and racing cars. What did he think about it? He thought it was brilliant. Look back at the story. What did Richard do and say at the end of the race? What did he think when Frank Turner came into the box? And what did he feel when he said thanks to Ross? Try to think about the answers of these questions. Number 2, write the story from Richard's point of view. Remember, you are writing as Richard. Start like this. I love fast cars, so I was so excited when Uncle Pete took us to the racetrack. I leaned over the rail and looked at the cars at the start line. I thought they were so and so. Here is a model answer. You can pause the video right here. Try to read it to find out what did he say. Now let's move to the last exercise, or the last lesson in this unit. Adventure in Zarula, part 6. If you remember, King Karim was leaving the island of the Rainbow Island, and dolphins helped him by pushing the raft. I want to ask you some questions about what happened next. What did they see first on the island? Yes, they saw a beautiful waterfall. Was it easy to climb through the forest? Of course not. It was difficult, and soon they were tired. What did they see after they climbed up? Yes, they saw some parrots, and the parrots were noisy. What happened to the diamond at the end of part 5? Excellent, excellent. Yes, it was thrown of the waterfall because they didn't want Prince Torgen to take it. Bantu throw it. Now, listen to the recording.
Pupils Book, Unit 12, page 127. Activity 2. Look, listen and read. Adventure in Zarula, Part 6. Do you remember? Karim, Adil, Banto and Silas left Rainbow Island on a raft. Dolphins pushed the raft to land. At the beach, there was a high waterfall with thick forest on both sides. There was no path, so the 4 friends had to climb through the forest to the top. At the top, Prince Torgen was waiting for them. He wanted the great diamond, but Banto threw the diamond in its box into the waterfall. Was the diamond lost forever? No one could climb down to get the diamond. The waterfall was too dangerous. No person could reach the diamond, but a monkey could. Quickly, Prince Torgen's monkey climbed down over the wet rocks towards the golden box. Soon the monkey was back. It was carrying the golden box, and it gave the box to Prince Torgen. Prince Torgen opened the box and looked at the magnificent diamond.
Finally, the diamond is mine. I am King of Zarula at last! Goodbye, Karim. You are nothing now. Nothing! But I am king. I have the diamond!
Prince Torgen and his men rode away on their horses, back to the dark castle.
My dear friends, what can we do? That evil man is now the King of Zarula.
Don't give up hope, Karim. Please, don't worry.
Look! What's that bird?
The bird flew down to Silas.
It's a falcon. There's a message on its leg.
It's Sakaro's falcon.
Listen to this. It's a message from Akaro. My dear friends, come to the Red Rock. I am waiting for you. Akaro.
Is that the red rock over there?
Yes, I think it is.
Akaro, the wise man, was waiting for them by the red rock.
Karim, I am happy to see you. All is well in Zarula. The illness has passed. You can come home.
Akaro, I must tell you, something terrible has happened.
Come along, my boy. Let's go home, and you can tell me all about it.
Later, in the dark castle, Prince Torgen was standing in front of a tall mirror.
I am the King of Zarula. I am the King of Zarula. I am the King of Zarula! I am the King of Zarula!
Suddenly, Prince Torgen's monkey grabbed the diamond from his hand. The monkey jumped onto Prince Torgen's big chair and dance to the left and to the right.
Be careful! That's the great diamond of Zarula!
But the monkey was not careful. It dropped the diamond onto the hard stone floor. The diamond smashed into hundreds of pieces.
No. No, no! It is not the diamond. It is only glass.
Meanwhile, in the White Castle, Karim and his friends were talking to Akaro.
We have lost the diamond, Akaro.
Prince Torgon has the diamond.
That evil man is the king of Zarula.
Why are you laughing, Banto?
It's not funny.
Yes, it is! Yes, it is!
Banto put his hand into his bag and pulled out a big glittering stone.
Banto, is it... can it be?
Yes, Karim. This is the great diamond.
But Prince Torgon has the diamond.
No! Prince Torgon does not have the diamond. Prince Torgon has a piece of glass from a lamp in the Summer Palace on Rainbow Island. You, Karim, have the great diamond.
So, I am the king of Zarula.
Yes, Karim, you are the king of Zarula.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Okay, I want to ask you some questions about the story. My first question. Did Prince Torgon get the diamond? Yes, at the beginning of part 6, yes, he got the diamond and he went back to Zarula. Okay, what happened next? Exactly, Karim and his friends saw a bird in the sky. It was a falcon. Exactly, it was Akaro's falcon. What was attached to the leg of the falcon? A message from who? Excellent. A message from Akaro. What did it say? Yes. Come to the Red Rock. Okay. What happened to the fake diamond with Prince Torgon? Was it the real diamond? Of course, we know that it was not the real diamond. It was fake. It was a piece of glass. What happened to it? Yes. His monkey took it and started dancing. Then it fell on the ground and it was broken into hundreds of pieces. So it was fake and it was only glass. Okay. Who has the diamond now? Excellent. Bantu. Bantu put a piece of glass from a lamp from the Summer Palace into the golden box and threw it from or off the waterfall. Prince Torgon took it. He thought it was the diamond, but it wasn't. So King Karim has the diamond at the end of the story, and he is still the king of Zarula. Okay, this was the end of the story. Let's move to workbook to do the exercise. So please get ready. Open your workbook on page 118. Writing preparation. Number 1, read. You read the story Formula 1. It was told from Ross' point of view. You wrote the story of the same events you wrote from Richard's point of view. Number 2, think about Todd in the story. Todd. Think of the answers to these questions. Number 1, where was Todd before he spoke to Ross? You know that he was on his way to the race. What was he thinking and feeling? Of course, he was feeling disappointed because he wanted to attend the race and see his father racing, or see his father winning. Look back at the story. What did Todd do while he was in the car? He called, of course, he called his father, but he didn't answer because he forgot the phone. Think about the phone conversation from Todd's point of view. Of course, he said, for example, I called my dad, but he didn't answer. Somebody else answered. His name was Ross. He was one of the spectators. What did Ross tell Todd about the race? Write some ideas. Of course, he told him that it was exciting and wonderful, and it was going to begin soon. What did Todd do when he arrived at the racetrack? Where did he go? Write notes. Of course, he went to the viewing box, directly to the viewing box. Look back at the story. What happened when Todd got to the viewing box? Of course, he saw his father winning the race. The race was ending, and he was proud of his dad. Who came into the box? Of course, his father came to the box. What did he do? He thanked Ross for helping his son. What did everyone say? They were all excited and happy. Now, write the story Formula 1 from Todd's point of view. Remember to write as if you were Todd. Think about Todd's thoughts. Start like this. It was the day of Dad's big race, and we were stuck in traffic. Mom said, I'm sorry, Todd, we won't get to the race in time for the start of the race. I felt very disappointed, but we rushed to the race, but the traffic was very heavy. I called my dad, but somebody else answered me. He was Ross, one of the spectators. He told me that Dad forgot his phone and the race will start soon. I asked him to go to the viewing box and tell me what was happening. In fact, he was a wonderful commentator. We arrived at the viewing box just before the race ended. Dad won the race and I felt very proud. And we all thanked Ross. This concludes our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you inshallah in the next video.